Today's day first, I am with Mr. Sushant. He is suffering from frozen shoulder. Where is the pain?
Over here and in the back.
Since how many days?
For 6 months.
Okay.
More than 6 months.
Okay. Please show me your range. Is this max you can lift?
Yeah.
It's painful?
Very painful.
Yes.
This whole part is over here and back.
Okay. Sideways, please. That's it.
Yeah.
Please turn around and take your hand behind your back as much you can. That's it?
That's it.
Okay. Can you put your finger inside your pocket?
No.
Can you remove your wallet?
No. This is painful.
Remove your wallet and give it to me.
Cannot. It's empty anyway. Cannot.
Mr. Sushant, take a deep and out. Resetting steady junction. Take a deep breath and out. Take a deep breath and out.
Of course. Much better.
On this side. Better?
Much
And wow. Good. Take a deep breath and out. Okay. Take a deep breath and out. Day 4, right?
Yeah.
Much better, right?
Much better.
And this one? Today day 7, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And turn around. Then bring your hand back. Better?
Much better.
Okay. He is Mr. Sushant. He is suffering from frozen shoulder since 6 months, right?
Struggling 6 months.
Yeah. Today is our 6th session, right?
Seven.
Seven. Okay. Please share your experience with me.
So I've been running around almost all over Dubai since April, trying to get my shoulder working. I couldn't even lift it till here, or even at the back, or even kill a fly, honestly speaking. I
You
had
can kill the fly?
much more, maybe 2 at a time. I've been prior to finding Dr. Yasir, I've been for 18 physio sessions at various clinics. I've had 3 steroid shots, and absolutely no improvement. And luckily for me, I'm on TikTok, and this is where I found Dr. Yasir, and this is my 7th session, and it's almost like a miracle. I'm probably going to be back on the golf course. I'm an avid golfer. I haven't been able to play for the last 6-7 months, and I'm hoping to get back very soon. The results are remarkable. So if any of you have any issues, maybe sports or anything else, won't hesitate to recommend coming here.
Perfect. Today is day 10.
Yes.
Okay, down. Again. Okay. Day 10th. We're checking range of motion. Wow. Yeah, good. Flexion. Cool. Now do rotation. Wow. And anti-clock. Now you can play golf. I think so. Feeling good?
Very good.